Hey doing guys, Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we received word from NASA that Ingenuity completed its 18th flight back on the 15th of December. Before Ingenuity could take off, it had to regain line of sight with Perseverance. During Ingenuity's 17th flight, there was an obstruction that interfered with the line of sight between Perseverance and Ingenuity. During Ingenuity's 18th flight, it traveled for 230 meters, but everything didn't go according to plan. Because of Ingenuity's autonomous flight features, it usually has very soft landings, but not this time. If you see here in the upper left-hand corner, that's a divot made by the front landing leg of Ingenuity. For such a lightweight aircraft, that would be considered a hard landing. For heavier rotary wing aircraft such as this, hard landings can be devastating. But since there's less gravity on Mars and it's such a light aircraft, it didn't do much damage. Regardless, it's still concerning to NASA that Ingenuity had a hard landing. We hope that this isn't a sign of things to come and that Ingenuity can continue to show us great images of Mars. Stay tuned for more updates and information about Perseverance and Ingenuity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.